Hello everyone, nice to meet you. We are currently in difficult time. Many problems have hit this year, starting from COVID, the formation of the law that led to demonstration, and many more. So, right now we are stay safe, stay happy, and healthy. But take it easy. Today I will make your day fun with virtual discussion. Beforehand, let me introducing myself. My name is Altavina Sugiarto. My friend usually call me Trias. I was born in Semarang, October 13, 2002. I'm a student at Sriwijaya Pranata Catholic University Semarang. Previously, I attended SMA 1 Tayu. I come from Tayupati. It took 3 hours with a distance of 115 kilometers to arrive at Sriwijaya Pranata Catholic University Semarang. The reason I majored in civil engineering was to create dream building and fast job opportunity. Indonesia is a country that is still developing, so it needs civil engineering graduates because it helps development. This year, there must be many plans that have been made but failed, and I will definitely be bored at home all the time. To get rid of boredom, yesterday I read an article about transportation engineering. There are already billions of means of transportation in use today. Transportation facility or human activity. Transportation deal with transportation engineering, and transportation engineering deal with civil engineering. Why is that? So, in this time, I will share about transportation engineering. My talk will last for about 5 minutes. It is divided into three major parts. First, I will explain what is transportation engineering. Second, I will explain the first stage transport model. After that, I will explain the development of transportation in Indonesia. Don't worry to take your notes. Feel free to ask questions. Let's get started. The first, transportation engineering. Transportation engineering is a branch of civil engineering. According to Wikipedia, transportation engineering is the application of the technology and scientific principle in planning, functional design, operation, and management of transportation modes modes with the aim of preventing safe, efficient, fast, comfortable, economical, and environmentally friendly means of transportation for the movement of people and goods. Okay, that's about the definition of transportation engineering. Let's move on the next point and take a closer look at the picture on the screen. The first take transport model. The first, trip generation. Second, trip distribution. The third, trip mode. The five, trip. The four, trip segment. The first step is trip generation. Trip generation is a modeling state estimate the amount of movement emanation from a zone or use and the amount of the movement attract to zone or use. That zone or utilization reference to here can be the form a resident unit or part of the city area. The amount of trip generation and inflation by 1. The intensity of the land use and development in the study area. 2. The socio-economic condition of the travel. 3. Capability condition of the extension exploration system in the study area. The second track is trip distribution. Trip distribution is a modeling to see how traffic can be generated by an area in distributes. Area the direction of the travel are going to one place of the heavily distribute. The factor that determines the trip distribution is the number of trips itself in the form of people, vehicles, or goods that occur between zones. At the start of the trip distribution modeling, the main objective is to form the origin destination metric for the generation all or full value updation for the trip generation. The third is split mode. Split mode is division of trip into both private and public transportation modes. In other words, split mode is separatist of trip based and tip on the type transport. The factor that determine on split mode and area the type of our mode available in the study area and the choice of the mode based on confusion and travel time. The fourth is the trip segment. In this case, the mode and route selection are carried out together. For public transportation, the route is determined based on the mode transportation. For private vehicles, it assumes the people will choose the mode of transportation first and then the route. Like mode choice, route selection also depends on the shortest, fastest, and cheapest alternative, and it is also assumed the road used have sufficient information, for example, about road congestion, so that they can determine the best route. Before continue, let me briefly summarize the points we were discussing. The transportation engineering is a branch of civil engineering which have the aim of providing efficient access to a various activity in order to meet the needs of human life and has for stake in transport planning. Let's go to the last but not least topic. Summary regarding the development of transportation in Indonesia. In its development, transportation from time of time continues to move slowly. In fact, continues available little by little. In the past, the mode of transportation was assisted by the use of animals for travel on the land and the use of traffic for trips across rivers. Development of transportation after industrialization area went very fast. Innovation development very fast as well as the use of transportation went very fast, starting with the application of steam engine for rail and marine transportation, then followed by invention of the engine with the internal combustion. The further discovery, the great influence the transportation system was the development of a gas turbine engine, which later became the turbojet used the aircraft. In sea transportation, a spectacular discovery is the development of nuclear fuels widely used for submarine. Conclusion. Transportation has an important role in human life when the development of transportation become better. That is the explanation I want to convey to all of you about transportation engineering. If you have questions or suggestions, you can read them in the comment column. I will reply one by one later. Thank you for your attention. Apologies if there is a wrong word. See you in the next discussion all. Thank you.